express one quantity as percentage of the other. That means if I ask you to pick out, say, 2 balls out of a bag which contain 10 balls, right? A bag contains 10 balls and you have taken out 2 balls out of that. How much, or you will say, you can say how much of percentage you have taken out and how much percentage is left. So that is, you have to represent the percentage of one quantity over the other. For this, we have taken up an example which says express 150 grams as percentage of 3 kgs. So here, first of all, we have to write the quantity whose percentage is to be written, that is 150 grams divided with about, we have to compare this quantity to which other quantity, that is the 3 kgs. So we write 3 kgs below, and this will be converted into percentage when we just have to multiply this with 100. Before that, I just told you that when you are writing two quantities in ratio with each other, you must consider that they should be of the same type, same kind, that is both are the weights only, so they are fine. But you must consider the units as well. So over here we can see that the units are not same. So that means this cannot be written like this. What we have to do? We have to either convert the kgs to grams or convert the grams to kgs. I am converting 3 kgs to grams, that will be 3 into 1000 giving us 3000 grams. This is because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kgs will be equal to 3 into 1000, that is 3000. So this can be written as 150 grams over 3000 grams. Now the ratio is perfectly correct and we have to convert this fraction into the percentage form. So converting this into percentage would mean multiplying this with 100%. So we cancel out the zeros and we get 15 upon 3, because the two zeros of this will get cancelled with this one and one zero gets cancelled with the other zero. So we are left with 15 upon 3%, right? So this is the percentage of 150 grams out of 3 kgs, right? Or you can actually divide it and write the answer in the other form, that would be 3 4s are 12, 1.0, 3 3s are 9, again 1, and so on. So we can write this as 4.3% of the total. That means the 150 grams is 4.3% of the total, that is 3 kgs. So this is how you can represent one quantity as the percentage of the other. Now let us discuss the next topic, that is the percentage increase or percentage decrease. So what do you mean by percentage increase? Say for example, there is a man, say his salary is 10,000 rupees per month, and from the next month onwards he started receiving the salary of 12,000. So there has been some increase in the salary. How much is that increase? That is 12,000 minus 10,000. Let's take this example only. A man's present salary is assumed to be rupees 10,000. So I am writing it here. And his new salary, or you can say the increased salary, will be rupees 12,000. Now if I ask you how much salary has been increased, so you will find out the increased salary, that will be equal to what? The difference of both, that is rupees 12,000 minus rupees 10,000, and that will be equal to rupees 2,000. Now you can tell me that in both the months he has got an increased salary of rupees 2,000. But if I ask you how much percentage of his salary has been increased, that means you have to tell me this only, increased salary only, but in terms of percentage. So how do we find that out? We have the two cases of finding the increased percent and finding the decreased percent. For finding the increased percent, we have increased value upon the original value multiplied with 100% to convert it into percentage. Similarly, for the decrease percent, we have decrease value upon the original value into 100%. Now, if I ask you to represent this in the form of percentage, how would you do that? Let us find, because here the salary has been increased, so we are going to find out the increased percentage, that will be equal to the increased value. Now what is the increased value here? The increased value is this much. How much salary has been increased? 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees is the salary increased. And what was the original value? What was the original salary before increasing? It was 10,000. So you write 2000 upon 10,000 and multiply this with 100%. Now on solving, what do we get? The 3 zeros get cancelled. 1 0 from here also. We get 2 into 10%. That comes out to be 20%. That means if you want to represent 2000 in the form of percentage, you can say that a man has got increment of 20%, or you can say he has got the increased salary of 20%. Earlier he was getting 10,000. Now the next month he received 20% increase in his salary, that is rupees 2000, and now his salary is rupees 12,000. Similarly, you can have the questions for decrease percent also. That will be found out by writing the decreased value, how much the value has decreased, that whole upon the original value, that is the value before the decrease took place, right? And the decreased value to the original value multiplied with 100% will give you the decrease percent.